In this video, you'll learn how to obtain a Mailchimp API key for use with WordPress. This key is essential for integrating Mailchimp services with your WordPress site, enabling you to manage your email marketing effectively. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp website. Open your web browser and enter the URL for the Mailchimp admin page. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp dashboard. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the necessary features. Next, locate the search bar on the dashboard. It is usually found at the top of the page. Click on the search bar and type in API key. After you initiate the search, you will see relevant results displayed below the search box. This action helps you quickly find the API key management section. Once the search results appear, look for the option labeled API keys. Click on this link to navigate to the API key management page. This section will display any existing API keys associated with your account, along with options to create new ones. After this, find the button that says Create a Key. This button is typically located near the top of the API keys page. Clicking it will generate a new API key for your account. A brief floating indicator may appear while the key is being created. Now, you will be prompted to enter a name for your new API key. This is an important step as it helps you identify the key later. Enter a descriptive name in the designated field. After entering the name, look for the button labeled Generate Key and click it to proceed. Following this, the system will create the API key, which will display on the screen. You should see a series of characters that make up your new key. To save this key, look for the option that says Copy to Clipboard. Click this option to copy the key to your clipboard. It is advisable to paste the copied key into a secure location, such as a text document or notepad. This ensures you have it saved safely for future reference. After pasting, return to the Mailchimp interface and click on Done to finalize the process. This action confirms that you have completed the key generation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.